Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's a gorgeous sunny day over here and I wanted to jump on here and test drive, do a demo and review of a brand new mascara that I just heard about on Tate's channel, and I thought I would give it a try. I'm always looking for the next new thing. I received my City Lips, guys. I got this, I followed Carla's links, Real Chicks TV, and I will link her video below where she does an excellent review on this. But I'm going to try these out today and see what I think and see what the colors look like and all of that. So if you want to see what this mascara looks like, it's called The Works. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's just jump right into it. I have barely any makeup on. I'm doing bare minimum today because I just really wanted to focus on the mascara and the City Lips and give those a try and demo them and see what they look like. So I've heard about this one from Tate, and this has the false lash effect. It's called The Works Wow Effect All-in-One Mascara, and this is from the collab line at Sally's Beauty Supply. I paid $14, might have been $14 and change, but it's $14 and it's in black. And I have to say ahead of time, I've been using Lash Boost again, and I don't know if it's a different formulation, but this one's stinging my eyes. The other one, I don't remember burning my eyes so much. Somebody told me that they reformulated it. Well, I hope it still works. I'm concerned that I wasted my money and it's not going to work as well as the original formula. So if you guys have any heads up on that, please let me know in the comments below. Also, the other problem that I had was, and also I'd love to hear from you guys on this one. My lashes started breaking off. So I have less lashes. I have some long ones, but most of them have broke off and they're like little stumps. And I'm very upset about that because they did grow out beautifully with Lash Boost. And then I tried to switch to a no-name kind of a lash growth serum, and all of a sudden my lashes are breaking off and I'm really unhappy about it. But I'm back to Lash Boost. Don't know if it's the new formula or the old formula, but I have to put on very little of it because it burns my eyes. It is collab, The Works, The Works mascara. It's supposed to do everything. So let's just zoom in here. I'm gonna get you really close, guys. So here's the brush. I don't know if you can see this. It's got a it's like one side is thicker than the other. It kind of have a little bit of a bend, a little bit of a curl. And do you see this? Little bristles. It looks like it's the rubber bristles. So I don't know if I'm going to like that or not. We will find out. I have no liner on, nothing on top, just bare minimum eyeshadow. Okay, and I can see all the little stubs now. You can see which ones are broken off. There are a few left that are long. So if you don't like a thicker, clumpier kind of mascara, then this wouldn't probably be for you. But I need to get the most out of it as I can. Okay, there's still a few long ones left in there. This is doing a pretty good job. Can you see this? It's capturing what few long ones I have left. It is very black. This is kind of nice because this is brushing through it beautifully. It's thickening. Oops. And it's allowing me to get those little tips. Okay, this is good for one coat. Kind of combed effect, but it's still very thick, which that's what I like. Let's see if on this side. If it can find all my little lashes and all the the long ones that are left, which aren't very many now. Does that happen to you guys when you use lash growth? I can say it. Lash growth serum. Do you have that point where you can't go any more with it and then they start breaking off, or you start losing them? Or I think this happened to me last time too, and I was frustrated with it, and so I don't know if there's a solution. If there is, I would love to know what it is. So you guys please share below so we can all learn, because a lot of us are trying different serums. Okay, So that's one coat. Not bad. Now, granted, I don't have the lashes I did a couple months ago, so keep that in mind. They have really broken off, but you can see there's a few long ones still left in there. I like, it's thickening. It does a slight curl, and it's separating a little bit too, but it's really, and I would say lengthening maybe too, because I tried Lash Paradise. I think I told you that. It just kept them stubby. This one's drawing out those longer lashes. See? So that's good. I don't know how it's do on the bottom, but I'll try it. I like this. This is getting a very thick, not super clumpy, but thick and combed through, curled and slightly lengthened as well. This is a nice mascara. Okay, it brushes through nicely. Wow. See, I was so used to my other mascara, the one from Essence that I love. I think this one's better. Granted, it's 3 times the price, but still $14 is not as bad as the average high-end one, which is around $24 or so. Like Benefit, they're Real or Roller Lash, those were some that I really loved. This is, whoops, I got it on my skin. Oh well. This is combing through beautifully, the bottom ones as well. I don't know how it's going to smear, so we'll have to check that out and see. I think it's doing a pretty good job, actually. You know, with me, I would go in for a 3rd coat just because that's who I am and because I've lost so many lashes now. This is a very nice brush. I like it. I like that. Do you see that it's thick? Slight curl, separation. Very black. That's a nice one. So it's at Sally's Beauty Supply. I could not find it on their website. So they had different collab mascaras, but they didn't have this one. And so I actually went into my Sally's and that's how I found it. And so you might have to go in because I did not find it on the website. Okay, my 2 City Lips. We're going to try it without liner first, and then if I need to add liner, I brought one down. I purchased San Diego and Dusty Rose. Both of these, I think, are metallic gloss type thing. It's a lip plumper, instantly promotes the look of fullness and hydration while reducing the appearance of lip wrinkles and fine lines. I don't have a lot of lip wrinkles, but, you know, we want the juicy lips. So I'm going to start with the lighter one. Beautiful color, beautiful packaging. Do you see the gold in there? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I'm going to try and see if I need to. Okay, so it does have kind of a pointy doe fit. So hopefully I'll be able to put it on without a lip liner, but I may have to add a lip liner later. Let's take a look. Okay, not as much pigment as I anticipated, but it's very thick, but not overly sticky. I have to re-dip a lot because it's well, this one's barely tinted, but that's what I wanted when I got it. I think Carla mixed it, and so you could do that. It's a little sticky, but it's pretty nice. It definitely looks fuller. I'm going to actually try to line it. I have Lay Down the Mauves, which is Wet n Wild gel liner. Just going to lightly do it, see what happens. I like the color. Yeah, the formulation's very nice. They say with long, term wear that it will really keep moisturizing your lips and whatnot. It's not cheap, so keep that in mind. It is a beautiful product, but I'm not sure that I actually really like the lip plumpers from Milani and the new lip plumper from e.l.f. That's very affordable. Does almost the same thing. Feels the same, way cheaper. I don't know. We'll have to try this one though. I'm going to tissue this off. Okay, we're going to jump into the second one. Give that one a try. Dusty Rose. Maybe this one won't need a liner because it's a little darker. Oh, I didn't even open it. It's taped shut. I do like the boxes in here. The packaging is clever and nice. So, okay, got it open. This is a beautiful, well, it says Dusty Rose. I see a lot of plum in there, which is not bad either. There's definitely a lot of purple undertone in here, but it's just kind of muted and soft. So let's take a look at this one, see how it does. A lot darker. I definitely may be able to use this without a lip liner. Very pretty. I don't know. It's one of those things where it's a nice splurge, but I feel like the texture of this and the color payout and the glossiness, very similar to the Essence glosses that I love and the lip plumpers from e.l.f. But they probably don't have all the same ingredients. This has a really big ingredient list that's touted to really do great things for your lips. So maybe over time it'll plump my lip. Must continue use to maintain and improve results. So this is one of those things where maybe over time it will, plump your lips and make them softer and less lined. So for that reason, that's probably why they're getting, such high praise from everyone. I personally loved it. I'm glad I tried it, but I probably won't repurchase for that price. However, again, depending on if they've still got the deal going on, Carla had a nice deal going on. So I will definitely link her review down below, and if she still has a coupon code or something on her site, check it out. They are very pretty. They are very glossy. They're very moisturizing. They're not that sticky. They initially felt it because it's very thick, but it kind of settles down as a winner. This collab mascara from Sally's Beauty. If you can find the one that's the works, not the other ones. There's lengthening, there's curling. This one is the one you want, the works. And it says false lash effect, if I can say that 5 times real fast. I feel like for the lashes that I have left, which is just sad when you lose your lashes after you've been doing it for so long, the lash boost makes me sad. Anyway, it's helping, and I feel like I got lashes now. This is a beautiful product, worth the money, I say. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah! Peace.